So for first question, it's actually quite simple. Now, let's look at this triangle. Correct or wrong? This triangle, look at where my laser pointer is pointing. This triangle has the same area as this triangle, am I right? Am I right to say that this triangle has the same area as just now the triangle that I pointed? Yes or no? Yes or no? The red color triangle has the same area as this triangle because it has a common base and a common height. Yes or no? Yeah. Yes or no? Common base, common height, right? Half times base times height. True? Yeah. Now let's look at the other one. Okay, now let's focus on this another triangle here. Now I'm going to use the highlighter to highlight another triangle. Yes or no? Two rectangles, right? Yes or no? Two rectangles out. How many rectangles altogether? 6. So the final answer is 1/3. Am I right or wrong? Okay, quite easy done. Zero mathematics. Okay, just a little bit of simple visualization. If you got longer method than me, which I believe you have a lot of longer methods than me, please understand this method. Yes, what? So painful. Can you write down my explanation? Can you write down my explanation? No need, I just highlight it or whatsoever. Then, who does not understand my explanation? It's very simple. Common base, common height. Okay, all the questions I design is meant to be simple. Okay, right? I thought you understood what I meant, so you wouldn't need to see, right? Ken, do you understand? The questions are meant to be easy. Common base, common height. It should not be difficult. Now, anyone has any problem? If not, I'm going to move on to the next question. No? You all can highlight it later at home as correction. Next question. Question 2. Anyone has any problem? Yeah, I gave you the alternative the other time. I can't remember what's the alternative answer. 30? Yeah, I gave you an alternative answer. Only Daryl and Ernest, you know? Okay, Ryan, can you help Ernest later? Don't ask Clarence to help. Okay, next, question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Jingjie, later help these two. Question 6, right? What's question 6 anyway?
Sarah, the double Eve. No, not double Eve.
Not double Eve. Okay. Okay, Jingjie, later show them. But you know how to draw the model and show them or not? Okay, Jingjie, later show them. Okay, that's for question 6. Question 7. Two person. Okay, let's go through question 7. Okay, let's look at this question. Now we know that the ratio of AF to DE. So AF to DE is 2U is to 3U, right? Correct or wrong? Okay. And the ratio of the length of CE to the length of DE is 4:2. So CE is here. Sorry, not 8:2. So in other words, it's 4:1, right? Correct or wrong? Because I can simplify it, right? So this is 4 parts is to 1 part. Am I right? Okay. Now they say that the area of ABF is 20 cm square. So where is ABF is here. Okay, this is the part that is 20 cm square, right? This is the part. We know is 20 cm square. Now, if you look at it, if you understand what I went through with you just now about common base, common height. If I draw a line here, am I right to say that this part is 30 cm square?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, because they have a common height, right?
Yeah.
They have a common height. Their base, right, is in the ratio of 2:3. That means the ratio of their area is also 2:3, right? Correct or wrong? Understand? So if that part is 30, if this part is 30 and this part is 20, am I right to say that half the rectangle is 50? That means this part is also 50, right?
But 5.
But they are actually in the ratio of 1:4, right? So this part must be 10 cm square.
So part.
This one must be
So the part is equal to
40 cm square. In a way, yes. Okay? Understand or not? Yes, Danish? Shorter than mine? Shorter than mine?
I use 2 steps.
Not very clear you're working. Improve on it. Yes, Ryan, you were saying? Not clear? What model? There's no model here. Hey, children, you all understand the concept of common base, common height out there or not? Or if the base is in a certain ratio and you have a common height, that means your area will be a certain ratio. You all learn this in P5, right? You know, right? You know, right? Tell me that you know. This is P5, area of triangles. Okay? If you do not know, please clarify with me because this is a parallel to the SA. I'm trying to revise with you your P5 work right here. Anyone need to clarify anything? No, then I'm going to move on to the next part. Okay? Question 8. Question 8. Question 9. Kaden? Kaden got a problem with it? Gabriel, can you help Kaden later? That's for question 9, right? Question 10. Okay, let's go through question 10 together. Yeah, but actually I improved the question. Okay, now this question, very simple. We are supposed to work backwards, right?
Yep.
Using a table, which I've shown you all previously. Okay, so because of the word at first, I know I need to work backwards. So I need to read the question backwards. I have green apples and red apples left in the box in the end. So I have green, I have red. So I start drawing my table out. Okay, so I have 108 green and 228 red. This is in the end. Okay, so I read the previous statement. After that, she took out 2/5 of the remaining green apples and 1/3 of the new number of red apples. Okay, she took out 2/5 of the remaining green apples. When she took out 2/5 of the remaining green apples, what fraction is left in the box, Jack? So 3/5. So this is actually 3/5. Am I right? She also took out 1/3 of the new number of red apples. She took out 1/3. So what fraction is left inside the box, Kaden? 2/3. So this is 2/3. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay. So I need to return back those things that has been taken out, right? Correct? To return back, how can I return back? Very simple. I need to find out 1/5 first, which is 108 divided by 3, right? What's the answer, Clarence? How much? 36. So before taking out any apples, I will have 180, right? Yes or no? So for red apples, Sky, tell me, what is 1/3? 114. And before taking out any red apples, I have 342.
Yep.
So that means before taking out the 2/3 green apples and the 1/3 red apples, right? This is what there is in the box, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Correct? So we took care of this. For every green apple given away, a red apple was added in the box. Not very useful in helping us work backwards, right? That statement. Correct or wrong? But the statement before that, Lucy gave away 2/11 of the green apples from the box. If she gave away 2/11, what fraction is she left with? Gabriel. MRB, just write down his name. He's sleeping. 9/11, but too bad. Still, he's sleeping. Right? Am I lying? You're trying to wake up. No, you're trying to doze off. Okay? Right? Gabriel, stop it. World Cup is over. Okay, World Cup is over. Are you suffering from insomnia? Is your biological clock being upset because of a World Cup? Why do you sleep late? You know you're school the next day. Huh?
Cannot fall asleep early.
Cannot sleep early. That's why you need to cultivate good habits. Then try harder. Okay? Or else I have to try harder for you. MRP, he wants to do this 10 times. Okay? So, because Lucy gave away 2/11, she's left with 9/11, right? So, 9/11 must be my 180, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? So, how many green apples does she have at the start? I must find 1/11 first. Which is how much, Lauren? And to find out how many she has, at first we know that we must multiply by 11, which is 220. That means, but I need to find the number of red apples. Now we can start using this statement, right? For every green apple given away, a red apple was added in the box. So how many green apples was given away? Colin Au. Do you agree with what Colin Au said? 40 was given away, right?
Yeah.
Correct? Since 40 was given away, I need to add back the 40 red apples, yes or no?
Yes.
So, 342 subtract, right? Or add back? Subtract, yes. Do you all understand why is it subtract?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Because for every green apple given away, a red apple was added into a box. I need to remove the red apple that was added, yes or no? So I need to subtract. So the final answer is 302. Okay, we'll stop here for today and continue with this tomorrow.